Welcome back. So for this project, you're going to need Adhesive Gems, the Paper Studio brand, a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks, sequence bows. These are the Paper Studio brand. These are the glass vases from Dollar Tree, and some scissors. So this is the packaging that the gems come in. And right now I'm just opening up that packaging. And I already have my glue gun plugged in, getting ready. So I'm going to start by pulling off the gem, and this one is really easy because it's a curved glass. So just place it, pull, wrap, press, pull, press, and then it lines up with the other side. And because I cut my finger open prior to doing this, it was a little hard for me to show you guys how I cut, but it's just like any other one. You just align it and cut at the edge and push it down so it evenly fits. The second one is the same exact way. Pull off, lay, pull, press, pull, press, pull, press, pull, and press. And then you meet at the edge again. You're going to take your scissors and cut that edge evenly so it fits right on in. And they look actually pretty good. So the fun part has arrived. We get to use the hot glue gun. So placement is easy. Just find a simple place to lay. And then I'm going to pop a little bit of hot glue, just a little. And I just lay it and press really firm. And there you have it. So the second one is going to be just as easy. A little hot glue. You're going to place it, hold really firm, hold a little firm again. And all done.